Different types of vegetation in India. Vegetation. Vegetation depends on plant life, and plant life depends on many factors. According to these factors, vegetation varies from place to place. Now, let's see some major types of vegetation in our country. Some major types of vegetation in our country are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest, and mangrove forest. Now, let us read about tropical evergreen forest. Do you know what does evergreen mean? Understanding the heading. Forest lying in the tropical area and is evergreen are known as evergreen forest. Now, do you know how do these forests remain evergreen? Yes, by rainfall. They remain green by rainfall. This table shows the characteristics about tropical evergreen forest. Rainfall. Evergreen forests are found in areas with heavy rainfall. These areas have more than 200 cm of rainfall. Now let's talk about the heights of these trees. These trees reach great height of 60 meters or even above densely vegetated trees, shrubs and creepers. They also have a multi-layered structure. Leaf shedding period. They do not have a definite time for trees to shed their leaves. Trees are found in every forest. So, how could we miss it here? Trees found here are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. Now, let's talk about the animals found here. Elephant, monkey, lemur and deer. Also, one-horned rhinoceros, plenty of birds, bats, sloths, scorpions and snails are found here. It is found only in few areas of India. They are Western Ghats, Eastern Coastal Area and Northeastern states. Now, let's talk about tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are most widespread forest of the India, also known as monsoon forest. On the basis of the availability of water, these forests can be divided into two: moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Characteristics of tropical deciduous forest. Rainfall in these forests are between 70 to 200 cm. On the basis of their division, moist deciduous forests have 100 to 200 cm of rainfall, whereas dry deciduous forests have 70 to 200 cm of rainfall. Now, on the basis of category of tropical deciduous forest, moist deciduous forests are found in northeastern states on the foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh and eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Now, the areas in which dry deciduous forests are found are rainier parts of Peninsula Plateau and plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Trees found on the basis of the category in moist deciduous forests take bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, khair, kusum, arjun and mulberry are found, whereas in dry deciduous forests, teak, sal, peepal and neem are used for agriculture also. Tropical deciduous forests do have a certain leaf shedding time period. It is during summers. Animals. Animals found here are lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. Also, variety of birds, snake, lizards, etc. are found here. The third type of forest in the list is the thorn forest and scrubs. It has a very low vegetation and has thorny trees and bushes. Vegetation is very much adaptive to the area. Trees are scattered and have long roots. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small. The characteristics of these forests are rainfall. Rainfall here is less than 70 cm. The area in which they are found is northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Trees or plants that are found here are very much adapted to the area. They are acacias, palms, euphorbia and cacti. Different categories of animals found here are rats, mice, rabbits, wolf, fox, tiger, lion, wild ass, horse and camels. Now let's talk about montane forest. Vegetation found in mountain areas depend upon decrease in temperature and increase in altitude. This leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. This corresponding change is same as in the succession of natural vegetation from tropical to tundra region. based on height and vegetation. These can be divided into these groups: the wet temperate forest, and alpine vegetation. Wet temperate forest. These forests are found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Evergreen broadleaf trees like oaks and chestnuts are found here. They are found on low hills, shivaliks. Temperate forests. These forests are found between a height of 1500 and 3000 meters. Trees such as pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce, and cedar, which are coniferous, are found here. Southern slopes of Himalayas, high altitude of South India, and northern eastern part have this type of vegetation. Last but not the least, alpine vegetation. This type of vegetation is found 3600 meters above the sea level. Both temperate vegetation and grassland makes up the alpine vegetation. Silver fir, junipers, pines and birches are common trees. They get progressively stand near snow line. Through shrubs and scrubs they merge into alpine grassland. These grasslands are used by Gujars and Bakwals for grazing. At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form a part of tundra vegetation. Now, let's talk about the animals found at mountain forest. The common animals found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopards, squirrels, shaggy horned wild ibex, deer and red panda. Sheep and goats with thick hair are also found here. Mangrove forests. These type of tidal forests are found in the areas of coast influenced by tides. Type of vegetation found in the area with mud and silt. Roots of mangrove trees are submerged underwater. These are found on the delta of rivers, example the Ganga, the Krishna, the Mahanadi, the Kaveri and the Godavari. Sundarban Delta. This delta is formed on the mouth of Ganga Brahmaputra river, also known as Meghna. Sundari trees are found here which have durable and hard timber. Trees such as palm, coconut, kiora, agar are also grown in some parts of delta. Animals such as Royal Bengal tiger, turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are found in these areas. This was the end of my presentation and I hope you all liked it. Thank you.